You might call these biscuits, you might call them scones. I just call them delicious. First, mix together buttermilk and 1 cold egg. If you can't find buttermilk, check out our video on how you can make a substitute in the description below. The dry ingredients are super simple. Just combine all-purpose or plain flour, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. This next step is where the magic happens. You'll need 12 tablespoons of very cold cubed butter, then use a pastry cutter or 2 knives to cut the butter into the flour. At this point, you can add your cheese. We went with 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese and 1 cup of mozzarella. Feel free to use your favorite kind of block cheese for this. Finally, add the buttermilk mixture and stir until a shaggy dough forms. It will seem quite dry, but that's okay. Just transfer it to a clean working surface and gently knead it until it holds together. Now you can roll out the dough to about a 1/2 inch thickness and use a 2-inch cookie cutter or a sturdy glass to cut out circles of dough. You can re-roll the excess to make more biscuits. Place on a lined baking sheet, then brush the tops with 1 beaten egg to give them a nice shine. Bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Pro tip, these are amazing with a creamy tomato soup. Click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for new daily content.